Hello, my name is Gimana Alfarezi. Today um, I will present about how to make a fiction story. First, preparing to read your fiction. 1. Decide what format you want to write your fiction in. This may depend on what type of story you want to tell. If you're interested in exploring the physics of a single character, a short story may be ideal. Second, get an idea of some sort. The idea should be something you're interested in, something that's really important to you. If you're not passionate about it, that will come through in your writing. If you're having issues coming up with good ideas, try this. Start with what you want to know. If you want to write about something you don't know, do your research. If you want to write historical romance set in Reagan's England, you probably have to do some research about Reagan's England. Second, make up some character based on questions such as what is their age, when were they born, and where. Try making a map. 3. Third, start keeping a writing journal. As a writer, it's a good idea to write down ideas as they come to you. Jotting down journals are amazing helper when it comes to getting good ideas. Keep your journal with you all the time, since you never know when inspiration will strike. 4. Make a mind map of topic. You can create visual representations of how elements in your story relate by making a mind map. Mind maps are a useful way of organizing any type of information in concise visual way. They can help you visualize how different characters and other elements of your story are connected to one another and make it easier for you to remember key concepts. 5. Ask what if question about your story and character. Ask yourself what would happen in this character was put into this different situation. 6. Brainstorm your topic by researching. If you want to write about particular type of setting or event, such as Game of Thrones, do a little research. Find out who the major historical figures were. 7. Use another resource for inspiration. Watch several movies or read several books in some genre as your story to get an idea of how story like those then to progress. 8. Fit your ideas with observation. A good writer is also a good reader and a good observer. Make observation about the world around you that you may want to incorporate into your fiction. Take notes and on conversation you hear. You go to the library and read up on interest topic. Go outside and look of nature. Let the idea mix with another ideas. Second, read your fiction. In 1, figures out of the basic setting and plot. You need to have a solid sense of what your story's world is like. If you have a good understanding of your character, which you should have after brainstorming, let their personality and flaws get your plot. Decide what point of view or POV you want your story to use. Point of view is very important in fiction because it determines what information readers are given and how reader connect to character. Whichever you choose, be consistent. 3. Outline your story. Use Roman numeral and write a few sentences or paragraph on what is going to happen in the chapter. You don't have to have a hugely detailed outline if you don't want to. 4. Writing. Start writing. You may want to try pen and paper instead of the computer for the first draft. If you get stuck, you can skip it and keep going. Just start wherever seems like a good place and read. Use your outline when you forget where you're going. Keep on going until you get to the end. 5. Read dialogue a lot as you read it. One of the biggest problem the beginning reader of then have is reading dialogue that sound like or no word that are living, breathing human was ever said. 6. Keep the action plausible. Your character should drive the action of your story, and this means that you can have a character do something completely out of character simply because the plot requires it. 7. Take a break. After you have the first draft on all paper, take some time refreshing your mind. 8. Reread your work. While you're reading it, use a red pen to make any notes or correction you want. Read your story a lot because this helps you find mistakes. 9. Understand that first drafts are never perfect. If an author tells you that she wrote her entire beautifully plotted, gorgeously executed novel in one go without any trouble, she lying to you. Even master or fiction writing, such as Charles Dickens and J.K. Rowling, write terrible draft, so it shouldn't be assumed to be perfect. Oke, sekian dari saya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.